this has been a secret project we've been working on for a long time.
This is going to be one for the books right here.
I don't want some shadows, all I need is some sunshine. One of these days I'm gonna get mine. And with the sun beneath me, like the wind I'll be free. One of these days I'm gonna get mine.
Really excited about this. Love chili.
So this one looks juicy. Is that gross?
Mm-hmm. That's good. That's oddly like not spicy. It's kind of like refreshing chili.
Oh, a little rice peeking out there.
Ground beef and rice. I feel like this is probably like authentic Texas chili.
I like a chili with more body, not so chunky.
I'm going with Tyler Florence. Tastes like home.
Love Tyler Florence. Barack, I'm sorry. I love you.
Obama, I'm so sorry. It's really good though.
It's easy, delicious, and that is my recipe for you.
I'm gonna blast off in a second.